Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about the estimation of rainfall over an area. In this session we will be talking about the Arithmetic Mean Method. In second we will be talk about the Thiessen Polygon Method, and in the third we will be talking about the Isohyetal Method. So let's start by the Arithmetic Mean Method. Arithmetic Mean Method is a simple way to estimate the mean rainfall over an area. This method involves adding up all the rainfall values for a given period and dividing the sum by the number of observations. Here are the steps to estimate the mean rainfall using the arithmetic mean method. The steps that are: at first we'll collect the data. Then after we'll organize the data, that is data organization. And in the third step we'll add up all the rainfall data, which will give the total rainfall of the given period, that is summation of the data. And in the next we will find out the number of observation, and after this we'll calculate the mean. Using the formula mean equals sum of rainfall value is divided by number of observation. Or this formula can also be written as P bar equals P1 plus P2 plus P4 up to Pn is divided by n, where n is the number of observation and P1, P2, P3 are the rainfall values at different stations. This can be simplified by 1 by n summation Pi. I varies from 1 to n. This formula is used when if P1, P2, P3 and Pn are the rainfall value in a given period of n station within a catchment area, then value of mean precipitation, that is this value, is calculated by these steps. So let's clarify this with example. The example is calculate the mean rainfall area using arithmetic method from the given data. The data are 10, 12, 8, 7, 6, 18, 16. The given data are in millimeter. So let's start solving this. First, here the number of observation n equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's sum of rainfall value equals 77. So now using this formula, or we can use this formula, that is P1 is this, P2 is this, P3 is this, P4 is this value, and up to this we have to continuously write this. So using in above value, mean equals 77 is divided by 7 equals 11 mm. So as per the given data, the mean rainfall is 11 mm. So after this, we'll go to the Thiessen Polygon Method. It is a technique used to interpolate the data, including rainfall over an area. It assumes that each measurement point influences the surrounding area, and the influence decreases with distance. The method divides the study area into polygons around measurement points, and each polygon represents the region where the corresponding measurement point has the greatest influence. The mean rainfall is then calculated for each polygon. The procedure for determining the weighted area is at first join the rain gauge station form triangle by straight line. In second, draw perpendicular bisector on each of the lines joining adjacent gauge station to form polygon. And in the third, the formed each polygon will have one rain gauge station. So, and in the fourth, calculate the area of polygon and multiply it using the formula P bar equals P1 A1 P2 A2 plus up to Pn An is divided by or this can also be written as P bar equals I equals 1 to P1 is divided by A, where this ratio, that is AI is divided A, is called as weightage factor for each station. So now let's be clarified by solving an example. The given question is, the given station are D with the rainfall data 18, 15, 10 and 8, and having the catchment area 70, 75, 80 and 30. From this question we have to find out the average rainfall using the Thiessen Polygon method. So let's start solving this using the formula P bar equals So now let's place the value on this formula, that is times of it. So on solving this, and for the solving this, the result will be 13.43 mm. After this, we will be talking about the Isohyetal method. The Isohyetal method is another technique used for estimating mean rainfall over an area, particularly when rainfall data is available at a specific point and the goal is to create a counter map of equal rainfall value, that is isohyetals, over the entire area. This isohyetal method is also considered as one of the accurate method for the estimation of mean rainfall over an area. There are the steps that are carried out to calculate the mean rainfall using Isohyetal method are: at first prepare the Isohyetal map, and in the second compute the area between two successive isohyetals and multiply the average rainfall between the isohyetal using formula P bar equals summation A j times of 2 is whole divided by A, where AZ means area between isohyetals, and the PI means precipitation of ith isohetal. And the A means the entire area catchment. For more, let's solve an example using isohyetal. The given question is calculate the mean rainfall using Isohyetal method from the data. That is the station rainfall in mm and the catchment area in kilometer square. The station are 18, 15, 10, 8, and the catchment area is 70, 75, 80, and 30. For this question, first let's draw a catchment. This is the catchment area. This is the catchment area. At this point it's station A, and this one is station B, this one is station C, and this is station D, where the rainfall is 18 mm, this one is 15 mm, this one is 10 mm, and this one is 8 mm. And this is another the same catchment showing the this is also the same catchment where this one is point A, B, C, D. As we have mentioned in our previous step, compute the area between two successive isohyetals and multiply them. In this, we'll compute the area. That is, this one is 18 mm, 15 mm, 10 mm, and 8 mm. So first, let's calculate the mean rainfall between two successive isohyetals. That is, the rainfall at this is 15, and at this take the mean of this and this, that is 15 plus 10 is 12.5 mm, and at this point it is 8 mm. So now we'll find out calculate the mean rainfall between two successives at this area and this area. For this, in case 1, the mean rainfall over this, that is 18 plus 12.5 is divided by 2 equals 50. In case 2, at this area, that is 5 plus 8 is divided by 2 equals 10.25 mm. Now using the formula, equals 70 times 80 plus 75 times of This value is from the question, divided by 70 plus 75 plus. So on solving this, the result will be this by 54, and simplifying this, the value will be 13.583 mm. So for this time we end up the video up to this much. We'll come again with one new video. Till then, keep on watching our channel and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.